Hey, it's Robin Allison. I am in the beautiful Waterways Township in Richmond Hill, Georgia today, and I'm going to take you on a tour of one of the Johnson Group's newest listings here in the area. This is a custom home. We're going to take a look at 405 Linkside Lake Drive. Let's take a look inside. Wanted to point out that we've got 3-car garage here, and we also have a door here that you can walk into, easily get out to the driveway without having to open up the garage doors. Beautiful hardy plank siding, a welcoming front porch that's elevated a little bit. We've got double front doors. We're situated here on a nice corner lot. Well, not really a corner, but kind of a curved lot here. .405 Linkside Lake Drive. This home was built in 2021. It's a little over 3,000 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. When you walk into the entryway, you're greeted by this grand staircase heading upstairs. 2-story foyer. Beautiful flooring. Right here, we've got a living room. It could be used as different things. Could be used as a dining room or a flex room office. It is open and passes through to the family room. Notice all the beautiful molding in here. There's beautiful crown molding. The windows are trimmed out beautifully. And there's also wainscoting around the perimeter of this room. Above the front door, there's nice big windows to allow light into this 2-story foyer. Very tall ceilings in here. Don't miss this beautiful coffered ceiling in the family room. There is a fireplace here. I see the gas hookup right there. It's not hooked up right now. There's no logs in there, but obviously that's an easy thing to add. One more shot of that beautiful coffered ceiling. And now this is open to the kitchen. So as we walk into the kitchen, I want to point out the lights. We've got a gourmet kitchen set up here with microwave and stove here. Microwave. And there's a separate cooktop with a beautiful range hood. I love this tile design back here. And the beveled tiles for the backsplash are beautiful as well. Countertops are a beautiful quartz. The island is a contrasting color, which is really cool. I see that it has a built-in trash section, and check out this huge farm sink. Beautiful kitchen. Next to the kitchen, we have an eat-in breakfast nook that is accommodating a quite large table. Right now there are 6 seats here, but clearly at the on this bench you could fit more and possibly even fit another chair. You know, if you needed to do a bit bigger area with more seating, you could. Let's take a look outside since we're right next door to the screen porch now. I'm gonna walk out on the screen porch here. I see they've got cable and electric hookups if you wanted to add a TV to this outdoor living space. Again, these are super tall ceilings. I'm tall and I've got my hand all the way up and there's still a lot of space above me. Take a step outside here. This is a big screen porch. You could definitely put in lots of nice furniture. I love that the elevation of this house is raised up too, so you've got a few steps to walk in and out of when you come in. There is a nice little patio here area to put a grill outside. There we go. Nice view of the backyard. There's this nice green space area in between. So this is in a circle and I can show you on a map what that looks like, where this house is located. But so there's this nice green space left in the middle of all these houses, so everybody isn't all backed up to everybody else. There is some beautiful brick detail here where the air conditioners are hiding, which is lovely, so that we're not staring at those. Walk around to the garage, or to the garage and the driveway on that side. All right, so heading back in, I noticed that there is a bedroom over here and a bathroom on this side of the house. So we're coming on in off the kitchen. So they're using this one as a gym, but this would be a downstairs guest room or kids room, whatever you want to make it. Got a little bit of a closet here. Look at these cool handles. These are neat. Very cool details that they added in this house that are just custom nice details you don't see in everything. The ceiling fan has an interesting, lots of options there too. So in this bathroom down here, we have a tiled shower. It's a nice big shower. Beautiful tile work. Next, we have come up to the laundry room. Has its own sink in here, which is wonderful and convenient. Cabinets built in, an area to hang shirts here. I'm guessing this is going to be that door that goes outside. Nope, this is to the 3rd car garage. Okay, so this is to the separate 1-car garage, which is a full size. They've got a lot of things in here, but you could park a 3rd car or a golf cart or just use it for storage. Now in this little mudroom area, I absolutely adore these little stations. I don't know what you want to call them, haul trees stations. Put some bins in there, stick your shoes, hang up book bags, purses, all that kind of stuff when you come in the house so it doesn't gather up other places. Okay, out into the 2-car garage. It's nice that it's turned to the side, not driveway on the front, and the golf cart just rode by. This is a very golf cart friendly neighborhood, by the way. Waterways is very golf cart friendly. So there's that door that you can go out. So if you want to go outside without opening up the whole garage door, you can. Lots of light in here. I love the windows in both the door and just that there's windows in here. Obviously room to store some extra food as well. Okay, so let's move on to the other side of the house. So I'm walking back through the family room now. I didn't point out earlier that there is a coat closet right here. Oh, that's actually a good size too. This coat closet goes back under the staircase so you can hide lots of stuff in there. That's a good size storage closet. All right, so now walking through here, there is a nice little archway and a little section to walk into the primary suite. Primary suite does have a tray ceiling with coffered ceiling inside of that. Continued crown molding in here as well. Lots of beautiful custom details in this home. Look at that soak-in tub. That is beautiful. Frosted window so nobody sees in while you're enjoying that tub. Got a nice little shelf built in the wall there for storage. And look at this shower too. This is nice big shower, beautiful tile. Got the body spray built in here and the rain shower head. Lots of space. Nice tile work. Master closet is got custom built outs in it. Separate room for the water closet, always a plus. Nice upgraded lighting. Look at all this drawer space too. I would love to have that much drawer space in my bathroom. I don't. Okay, let's head on upstairs. So these are kind of cool. This is all built in here, so you could add bookshelves or something to display things in these. There's 3 large display areas. They don't have anything in them. They do have lighting in them too. I'm not sure where the switch for that is, but you could light things up in there. Okay, so we've got pretty good sized bedrooms in here. This looks to be a queen size bed. Little walk-in closet, pretty good size. Got a linen closet here in the hallway. And now we've got a bonus room. So this isn't technically considered one of the 4th bedrooms, but it is an additional space. So it's really kind of like a 5th bedroom if you wanted to set this up as a bedroom or a guest room. Obviously it's being used as an office, but this is a good space. Could be a man cave, a shed that's inside. Lots of different options that you could use this space for. A second living area, a kid's playroom. So then this is gonna be the 4th and final bedroom. Also a very good size. That is I think a full size bed in the corner there. And there's a ton of space in this room. Tons of space. Okay, and this one has its own bathroom connected to it. This is a cool situation where they've got their sink here and you can close this off to the bedroom. Come on into the bathroom. I do also like that even the tub up here is tiled. It's a very nice feature. Okay, so it's a Jack and Jill style. So then into the hallway is the other bathroom sink for this bedroom that's across the hall. So from this one across the hall, you just walk across the hall, you can use the sink, close it off. Toilet and shower are in one room. Another sink used for this bedroom. Really good layout for when you've got company or siblings. Okay, this is gonna be the attic, I figured. So we got attic space here. Turn the light on. So we got some walk-in attic space. Not a whole terrible amount of storage, but there is a good amount, you know, decent amount to put some Christmas boxes. And there is more area that you could put in more flooring. I do want to point out that it is spray foamed, very cost effective, energy efficient feature for homes here. Oh, I was kidding. There's a ton of storage up here. Oh my goodness, there's tons of storage. Okay, so I just kept walking and there's a lot of storage in here with decking. So there's a ton of things that you can put in here. Anyway, it's very cool. It is 86 degrees outside today, but it is super cool and comfortable in this attic because of this spray foam. So very energy efficient. Also want to point out something else I see up here, which is really cool. This is a tankless water heater. Again, a very energy efficient thing and a very cool upgraded feature in a home. Okay, let me head back in. Oh yeah, it's definitely cool in there. Very comfortable. I forgot to show you the closet in this bedroom. Pretty good sized walk-in closet. Also, not bad. So again, I'm Robin Allison. I'm an agent with the Johnson Group here in Richmond Hill, Georgia, Savannah, Georgia area. I'd love to help you out with this home, but if this home isn't the one that you're interested in and you want to know more about other homes in Waterways or some other place, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I would absolutely love to help you. I've actually sold 6 homes in Waterways in the past few years, and I'd love to sell more. It's such a beautiful, wonderful neighborhood.